Alright, so put this into your head real quick. Yesterday, July 11th, 2020, a slight convective risk with 15% wind and hail probabilities and hardly any tornado probabilities. There weren't any tornadoes yesterday anyways, so it gets issued for DVN, which is Quad Cities, as well as ILX, which is Lincoln, as well as portions of LOT, which is Chicago, and MKX, Milwaukee, Sullivan. So I was thinking to myself, nothing was going to happen. There will be no alerts whatsoever, because that's a typical Illinois slight risk for you. Oh boy, was I wrong. This storm developed out in eastern Iowa, made its way into Illinois. Oh man, northwest Illinois got hit with some pretty bad storms. So did eastern Iowa. I'm lucky that I had two radios this time off to the left. You can see both of them there. Now last night there was some signal loss on KCC 55. And what I mean by that is that it was all static. Alright, but I'll show you right now. No signal loss.
And the relative humidity was...
And no signal loss.
29.89 inches in rising. Elsewhere around the region.
Nice. Having two radios definitely helped, because I didn't miss as much. I even have a log of all the alerts I got. It's the number, the alert type, station, frequency, and what radio it was on. I got one alert in the car. So yeah, it was a huge slight risk too. There was even an enhanced down in Kansas and Oklahoma. I was shocked it wasn't for us, and I was shocked by how many alerts I got. I mean, seriously. 21 alerts was how many I got. 21 in a slight risk. And it was all thanks to one storm with 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts. That's right, 90 miles per hour with pockets of 100. I wonder what damage it did to the Quad Cities, and I wonder. So, we got the typicals. The SVRs, the SVRs, and a couple of severe thunderstorm launches. No tornado warnings, and no FFWs either. Kind of weird how I only got two alert types. But man, SVRs were left and right this past day. So, sit back and enjoy my longest EAS compilation to date. Before I get going, I'm sure you noticed the call signs on the radios. Here are all of them. I have these so I can tell what station my radio's on without having to hit the weather snooze button. Yes, the watch light is on because it did relay. I was lifting when the watch got issued, so I have an excuse. So yeah, I'm really excited because my first alert on this thing is going to be something better than a lame weekly test. Let's see it, Noah. SVR. It's really staticky. Alright, I got it anyway. There we go.
Locations impacted include Midland, Mechanicsville, Bennett, Rochester, Clarence, Maxwell Park. This includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 265 and 278. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Wish I could have gotten better quality off of WXJ73, but thing is, I'm not getting the best service from there right now. So yeah, that WR120 right there was not getting good reception of WXJ73 when I got the alert. So I have made a switch. Now the Sangean is on WXJ73 and it's sitting actually on the right of my table now. It was over there, now I moved it. And the 120 is now on KZZ57. I'll put a text version, this thing, right here. I'll put this in either the description or the comments. So yeah, I'll do that so you guys can read along to the first alert. But now this is on WXJ73. I'm really hoping this goes off today. Please let it go off.
23 in the Quad Cities.
Come on.
The current time is 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:50 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Cedar and Muscatine.
Just issue it.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 355 has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Cedar, Clinton, Louisa,
Relay.
Muscatine, and Scott.
What do you want? See, DVN issues severe thunderstorm warning. There it goes. Here we go. For the first time ever. Come on. That's a weird way to do it.
Eastern Cedar County, northeastern Muscatine County until 12:15 p.m.
First alert on the CL100.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Wilton or near Durant, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muscatine, Durant, Wilton, Fairport, Wildcat, Den State Park, Shady Creek Campground, Midway Beach, New Era, Pleasant Prairie, Moscow, Sweetland Center, and Fairport Recreation Area. This includes Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 267 and 277. Take cover now.
Nice.
Southeast wind around 5 miles an hour in the morning, becoming
SVA. La Salle.
clear. Low in the mid-60s.
And it's not relaying.
Southeast wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tuesday, partly sunny. High in the upper 80s. Tuesday night, rain and thunderstorms likely.
SVA was just issued, but it's not relaying for some reason.
Wednesday night, a chance of rain and thunderstorms. High in the mid-80s. Low in the mid-60s.
Like, why?
A chance of rain and thunderstorms.
This should have relayed already.
The upper 80s.
Here it is. This is SVA 359.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 359, effective until midnight Sunday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Henry, LaSalle, Lee, Marshall, Putnam, Stark, and Whiteside. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather,
Including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet for the latest severe weather information.
Something else just came up.
To NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL22,
Oh, yeah.
County. The current time is 4:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
We have an SVA
Here
too?
is a special weather statement. For the following counties in Illinois, Bureau and Henry. At 3:57 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 miles
There it is.
County, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Wind gusts of 50 to
SVA number 349. I was tuned into WXL22 when this went off.
Locations impacted include Kiwani Municipal Airport and
settle down.
EAS.
Quad cities.
All right. SVR.
Thunderstorm warning for eastern Cedar County, Scott County, southeastern Jones County, northeastern Muscatine County, Clinton County until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oxford Junction to near Loudon to near Rochester, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. These are very dangerous storms.
Yep.
Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind
Oh my God.
Flying debris will be
It's headed straight for Davenport.
Shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Davenport, Rock Island, Beckendorf, Clinton, Durant, Eldridge, DeWitt, Comanche, LeClaire, Wilton, Walcott, Bluegrass, Buffalo, Albany.
What's this? Oh, it's a damage report.
This includes the following highways. Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 266 and 306. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 9. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
One wild storm. Another SVR was just issued. There it is. Severe thunderstorm.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rock Island County, western Mercer County, Louisa County, southeastern Johnson County, northeastern Washington County, Muscatine County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Is this the same storm from earlier?
6 miles north of Ainsworth, moving southeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour.
No, it's a different one.
Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muscatine, Aledo, Wapello, Columbus Junction, West Liberty, Wilton, Lone Tree, Andalusia, Riverside, Fruitland, Morning Sun, Millersburg, New Boston, Keithsburg, Grandview, Reynolds, Conesville, Eliza, Joy, and Columbus City.
Warning.
Take cover now. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Oh, another one.
Rainfall is occurring with these storms, and mainly
I can guarantee you we got a doubleheader.
do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
We have another one, right? Yes. Another SVR.
Locations impacted include Kewanee, Cambridge, Geneseo, Galva, Atkinson, Annawan, Woodhall, Andover, Lynn Center, Osco, Bishop Hill, Henry County Fairgrounds, German Corner, Tacoma, Kewanee Municipal Airport, Eula, Morristown, and Johnson Sauk Trail State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 20 and 35. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 15 and 33. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Okay, so we are getting the warnings now from that CL100 and that WR120EZ. So this is starting to get wild. Here we go. Let me pull up one of the SVRs. This one specifically. It's not that one. It's not that one. It's not that. It's this. 80 miles per hour. That is just insane. And I've been logging all the alerts. One of them I actually got on AM FM in the car, KCQQ-FM 106.5. Everything else has been on the weather radios. I got 6 SVRs and an SVA. Just insane. Another SVR. Here goes the CL100 too.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm
Who
warning
for?
for Rock Island County, northeastern Mercer County, southern Whiteside County,
Knew that was coming.
Henry County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from DeWitt to near Eldridge to near Durant, moving southeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour.
Oh my god. They are extending this thing.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Davenport, Moline, Rock Island, North, East Moline,
What just got issued?
Silvis, Geneseo, Kelowna, Milan, LeClaire,
It's this one right here.
Prophetstown, Hampton, Orion, Fort Byron, Erie, Buffalo, Andalusia, and Atkinson. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa near mile marker 5. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 33. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 31. Interstate 88 between mile markers 1 and 26. Interstate 280 between mile markers 10 and 18. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Lynn and Cedar counties. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
SVR, this one's only on here. I switched the 120 to WXL 22.
Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scott County until 7:45 p.m.
Wow, this is getting
At
insane.
7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Eldridge, or near Bettendorf, moving southeast at 50 miles
Well, it's
an hour.
headed. It's going through
This is a
Bettendorf.
very dangerous storm. Expected hazards include 80 miles an
Oh,
hour
it's strengthened
wind gusts
again.
and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Davenport, Rock Island, Bettendorf, Eldridge, LeClaire, Walcott, Bluegrass, Buffalo, Princeton, Long Grove, Riverdale, Donahue, McCausland,
What just got issued?
Pleasant Valley, Parkview, Westlake Park.
Okay, it was just a public report. It's this.
Davenport Municipal Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 74 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 285 and 306. Interstate 280 between mile markers 1 and 9. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across Lynn, Cedar, and Scott counties. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Another freaking warning on the CL100. Just the CL100 again.
Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Weather County, southern Henry County.
Lacrosse.
15 p.m. At 7:27 p.m.
I haven't seen that.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Sherrard, or 8 miles south of Moline, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. This is a very dangerous storm.
Another. It's
Expected
the
hazards
same one.
include 80 miles an hour wind gusts.
strengthened again.
Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Kewanee, Cambridge, Geneseo, Kelowna,
IamBot. What do you want? Oh, it's a damage report.
Matherville, Alpha, Sherrard, Andover, North Henderson, Cable, Shale City, New Windsor, Warner, Bowdoin, and Lynn Center. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 10 and 21. Interstate 74 in Illinois between mile markers 14 and 33. Take cover now.
Let's go. Hold everything!
Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Whiteside County, northern Henry County, western Bureau County.
I knew this was
until
gonna enter.
8:30 p.m. At 7:38 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Erie to 7 miles northeast of Geneseo to near Cambridge, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour.
I gotta show the 120 some love.
Storms. Expected hazards include 80 miles an hour wind gusts. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Kewanee, Geneseo, Prophetstown, Erie, Atkinson, Sheffield, Anawa,
The storm does not want to stop moving.
Cleveland, Deer Grove, Osborne, Hillsdale, Neponset, Yorktown, Manlius, Mineral, New Bedford, and Portland Corners. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 21 and 48. Interstate 88 between mile markers 14 and 20. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms have the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
WXJ73 is going off. There goes KCZ55.
Until 8:45 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Morrison, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour. A severe thunderstorm was located over Morrison, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles.
Yep.
Morrison.
We're gonna get mashed.
Linden, Colita, Emerson, Union Grove.
Chicago? What do you want? Significant weather advisory for Western Lee County?
This includes Interstate 88 between mile markers 21 and 44. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Another SVR.
A severe thunderstorm.
What? Oh.
Thunderstorm warning for Putnam County in north central Illinois, Bureau County in north central Illinois until 8
Another alert.
At 8:01 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Deer Grove to near Sheffield to Elmira, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Oh, they're getting the worst. They're getting worse than me.
Indicated. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Princeton, Hennepin, Spring Valley, Henry.
Yeah, that was going to happen at some point. Oh, come on! Another damage report.
Bureau Junction, McNabb, Putnam, Mark, Ohio, and Cherry.
Ohio?
This includes
The
the
frick?
following highways. Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 40 and 72. Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 13.
What do you want?
Extremely dangerous situation.
Oh, the Mercer Henry one.
These storms are producing widespread wind
Oh
damage
my God.
across eastern Iowa.
Chicago, what do you want?
Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure.
Oh, they expanded it. What do you want?
Cloud to ground lightning.
Goodness sake, this is going wild tonight.
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember,
If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. What do you want, Chicago? Oh! Doubleheader. Got another one. What the? Why am I getting an SVA? What?
thunderstorm watch number 359 remains in effect until midnight Sunday and now includes the following counties.
Why did this not go off?
Delcow, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, Ogle, and Winnebago. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
I've lost count at this point of how many alerts I've gotten. At this point, I have lost count.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly
Got
changing
14
weather
now or
conditions
something like that.
and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Now an SVR should come through.
This is NOAA weather
What?
radio. KZV 55 Dixon.
Why did the SVR not come through?
Is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast
Look.
severe weather alarms.
LOT issues severe thunderstorm warning. Wind 60 miles per hour. Hail 75.75 for Lee, Illinois until 9 p.m.
Standard broadcasts will be
This should have gone off.
the latest immediately. Lightning is one of nature's struck by lightning.
Bit late, but I made it. That's all that matters.
Thunderstorm Marshall County in central
central Illinois, northern Woodford County in central Illinois, northeastern Peoria County in central Illinois, until 8:45 p.m.
I am, but I went off for something else.
Along a line extending from near Walnut to New Midland to near Bradford, moving east at 55 miles.
Moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles.
Oh, the storm's coming. I'll show you guys later.
Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lincoln, Chillicothe,
Okay, they expired it for Henry.
Toluca, Washburn, Winema, Sparlin, Varna, Camp Grove, Hopewell, LaRose, Lake Wildwood, Pattonsburg, Low Point, Lawn Ridge, Marshall Putnam County Fairgrounds, and Marshall County Airport. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 24 and 40. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I'll get that in a minute. Alright, it's not a doubleheader. Another warning. Severe thunderstorm warning. This is for Lee.
In Chicago has issued
It's for Lee.
a thunderstorm warning for Lee County.
This was so late.
Until 9
That was so late.
At 8:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tampico, or 11 miles southwest of Rock Falls, moving
Rock
at
Falls.
35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, what now?
Locations impacted include Dixon, Amboy, Franklin Grove, Ashton,
DVN.
Woodhaven,
Jeez.
Nelson, Harmon, Woodland Shores, Eldena, Lee Center, and Nakusa, including the following Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 71. This
A
includes
slight
Lee
risk.
County Fairgrounds,
What do you want?
College.
Lincoln.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Just wild.
Remember, if you can hear storms, you are close enough to be struck by a
It's here. Sal? No? Oh, it's not.
County in north central Illinois. Eastern Lee County in north central Illinois. Southern Cal County in north central Illinois. Until 9:45 p.m. 8:24 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located on the line extending from near Polo to Lenoir to near Henry to near Dunlap, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazard 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Pontiac, Peru, LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Marseilles. LaSalle, Sandwich, Mendota, Marseilles, Sheridan, Shibuna, Lake Holiday, Oglesby, Seneca, Hinkley, Silmanock, Earlville, Waterman, North Utica, Serena, and Flanagan, including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 26 and 201. I-80 between mile markers 73 and 103. I-88 between mile markers 71 and 74, and between mile markers 99 and 101. This includes Sandwich.
That was tuned into KCC 55. This was tuned into WXL 22. That's why they're kind of off. Doesn't matter really.
Illini State Park, Illinois Valley Community College, Mathewson State Park, Starved Rock,
Matthias, you idiot.
and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lawn. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Cedar County.
No, I'm not gonna get that.
Upstream in Iowa and western Illinois. Take shelter now inside of 30 from windows.
Wow. Ran up the stairs to catch this one. Wow. You can't see through the screen.
Hold the door.
No, I don't think. Just open it. Do it. Oh, God. Was that hail or was that rain?
Not hail. That's just some heavy rain.
Can you unplug? Let's unplug the lights in here.
Jeez. Got it?
Yeah. You'll be able to see a little bit better.
Jeez.
I wish it was easier to see.
Do this. I'll hold the door in place. The phone's gonna get hella wet. Look over there by the, just like point your phone over there by the light and wait for the next big gust of wind. Oh my god, that guy's an idiot.
That guy's in trouble. He's done.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's picking it up.
It's really hard to see.
It's
I'm gonna open up this door again.
Hold, no. Hold the door so that the wind doesn't blow it off the freaking hinge.
I got it.
Careful, drop the phone.
I'm not gonna drop it. All right, I'm closing it. It's too dangerous. It's too dangerous to have this thing open.
Let's go.
Let's get back inside. Now this is how you know the winds are gusty. If your flag is just flying around like insane. Oh, the rain's getting worse. Holy cow. Now this is torrential rainfall. Pretty wild out there, I must say. It is impossible to see through this. What? IEM bot. You piece of crap. Oh my god. Fourth time's a charm, I guess.
Airport observation station indicated. Expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Amboy. And Mitrusha. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has produced widespread wind damage across western Illinois and eastern Iowa.
Well, this ties a record.
The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Putnam County, Eastern Bureau County until 9 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lamoille to Latson near Henry, moving east at 45 miles an hour.
Did it come up?
Expected hazard.
Audio alerts weren't enabled. Dang it, whatever.
Expect considerable tree damage.
This officially ties a record for most alerts caught in a day. Record tied.
Impacted include Henry,
What?
Spring Valley,
Lincoln.
Lamoille,
Oh, that's gonna break it. It's gonna break the record.
Gary, Malden, Seatonville,
We're into the 90s, by the way.
Standard, Arlington, Dover, Hollowayville, and Spring Valley.
I'm gonna try something. Hold on.
This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 60 and 72.
There we go.
Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 3, and between mile markers 9 and 13. This is an extremely dangerous situation.
Chicago.
Storms are producing widespread wind damage across eastern Iowa and western Illinois.
All right. Now it's gonna come up on here.
Sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Marshall and Woodford.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Marshall County in central Illinois, northeastern Woodford
This has broken a record for alerts caught in one day.
At 8:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located
22 on the day, or 21.
Near Washburn to near Germantown Hills, moving east at 50 miles an hour.
Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Midland, Toluca, Washburn, Winema, Varna, LaRose, Lake Wildwood, Pattonsburg, and Low Point. This includes Interstate 39 between mile markers 24 and 40.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Okay, let's tune into a news station. Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. So, I hope you enjoyed my longest EAS compilation to date, and the most alerts I have caught in one day. It was 20 for the enhanced risk event on May 23rd, 2020. My other enhanced, where I got double-digit alerts, was actually June 26th, 2020. This was a slight, and I got 21. So this trumps my last two EAS compilations combined, where I got 4 in the first and then 8 in the second. That's a total of 12. This had 21, so this almost doubled the amount of alerts I got in the last two EAS compilations, and actually more than doubled my last enhanced risk event, which was June 26th, like I said. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button. I have more EAS stuff coming, as well as other content, gaming. I got another Roller Coaster Tycoon 3 video coming at some point. Hopefully more Rocket League. I don't know when I'll play Rocket League again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.